This is such garbage. Look at this. All I really want to see is the trades, you know? I don't need to look at all this crap. Upgrade to level 2. Get NASDAQ level 2. I don't want NASDAQ. On a big board stock, this is useless. Seeing the order book, seeing the bid ask is totally irrelevant. It means something on an OTC stock, like this one. Yeah, you can see the orders, you can see what's going on. But on a big board, it's all computer trading, you know? I mean, all I want to see is the trades. That tells me everything I want to know, you know, in the mini chart. I don't need to see this. This is just unbelievably distracting. On the previous level 2 version, they didn't have this crap. It was just blank, you know? But they screwed it all up. Now it's garbage. Great.